Hello and welcome to HiBiz News. This is Chaitanya Muddam. Union Minister for Chemicals and Fertilizers Shri D.V. Sadananda Gowda launched 4 schemes of Department of Pharmaceuticals for promotion of domestic manufacturing of bulk drugs and medical devices parks in the country. This is in line with the vision of Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi and his clarion call for making Atma Nirbhar Bharat in pharma sector. For this, the Government of India has approved 4 schemes, 2 each for bulk drugs and medical devices parks. He exhorted the industry and the states to come forward and participate in these schemes. It is a matter of concern that our country is critically dependent on imports for basic raw materials, viz. Bulk drugs, drug intermediates and active pharmaceutical ingredients that are used to produce some of the essential medicines. Similarly, in the medical devices sector, our country is dependent on imports for 86% of its requirements of medical devices. The list of 41 products contained in the scheme guidelines will enable domestic production of 53 bulk drugs. Financial incentives will be given to a maximum of 136 manufacturers selected under the scheme as a fixed percentage of their domestic sales of these 41 products manufactured locally with required level of domestic value addition. The incentives would be subjected to annual ceilings communicated in the approval letter. The incentives would be given for a period of 6 years. In the case of fermentation based products, the rate of incentives is 20% for first 4 years, 15% for the 5th year and 5% for the 6th year. In case of chemically synthesized products, rate of incentive is 10% for all 6 years. The selected manufacturers shall have to complete committed investment above a threshold investment mandate for each product and achieve a prescribed minimum installed capacity before they are eligible to receive incentives. Threshold investment is rupees 400 crore for 4 fermentation based products and rupees 50 crore for 10 fermentation based products. Similarly, threshold investment is rupees 50 crore for 4 chemical synthesized products and rupees 20 crore for 23 chemical synthesized products. Minimum installed capacity to be achieved for each of the 41 products is prescribed in the guidelines. The incentives for fermentation based products would be available from financial year 2023-24, that is after a 2-year gestation period during which the selected applicant has to complete the committed investment and install the committed capacity. For 4 chemicals synthesized products, the incentives would be available from financial year 2022-23, that is after a gestation period of 1 year during which the selected applicant has to make the committed investments and install the committed capacity. Any company, partnership firm, proprietorship firm or an LLP registered in India and possessing a minimum net worth of 30% of a proposed investment is eligible to apply for incentives under the scheme. An applicant can apply for any number of products. The applicants will be selected on the basis of transparent composite evaluation criteria, which includes the annual production capacity committed by the applicant and the sale price of the product quoted by the applicant. Applicant quoting low sale price and higher production capacity will get higher marks in the evaluation.